Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I don't have an intro yet, but like the first part was like and stuff. So I'm gonna make. So I was just coming to do like a short talk, and I am gonna start making fidget videos with people, and I just made a homemade fidget, which I just looked up the recipe how to make globbles because I forgot. But then I did these and they're all boring. Then I started squishing them together, kind of like pretending they were globbles. And then they turned into globbles. And I'm going to start making fidget videos like this. I'm like just trading homemade globbles like every ordinary people do. I didn't even know this looks like a little lemon. Because that was like a bun at the bottom. So, if there's anything other that I can talk about, like usually no one even sees my channel, go down, say Veda Mary 5 in the channel. Or Amazing Aviator, say Amazing Aviator in the thing, and then click on it. Then you'll do it. Then you'll see my videos and my sister's. And comment down below if I should make like a paper, and I should like do like the add and the accept and the not accept. Decline, I mean. This is actually my homemade water snake, but it didn't really turn out like a water snake. But it's stretchy and it's squishy. So guys, these are filled up with water. You can't really see it that well on this one, but they're filled up with water. But you can see it. Oh, there. You guys can see it, right? Can you guys see that? I don't know. You guys might be able to see, you might not. Oh, there. You see that water on there? I can definitely know it's water because I made this myself. So if you guys want the recipe how to make it, so you just get like, okay, I'll show you. So it's not really good. Oh. I thought it was like the animal that's upstairs in my house. It's creepy. It's getting through the wall. So you get a mini balloon, then turn the sink knob. Fill it up with the sink. Where is it? Is that the sink? What is it? This is the sink. You fill it up with the sink, and then you fill the balloon up with water, and then you tie it, and then make a bunch, and then squeeze. You can do a big one if you want, but I don't really like the big ones because I don't want to turn into water snakes. So I'm just gonna. It's not really good lighting in here. Actually, I'm gonna get out of here. So I don't like have a GoPro yet, but I'm gonna get one from someone. Which is there next? I always like feel like, and I do my YouTube video like my mom, and I'm like, what do I say next? What do I say next? What do I say? What do I say for all the videos? That's what I feel like in every video. And I do have one of the circle things. It's right in front of me. It's on my desk right here. So this is called my desk. And I can't take it or else I'll have bad lighting. Because I don't really have bad lighting if I turn that light off, but I'm not going to do it right now because it's not even almost bedtime. Well, it is almost bedtime, but I'm still like working out here doing my homework. So that's like I'm going to show you guys the lighting out here. So as you can see, I don't really like that layout. It's like a sunset. It's like a little sunset. But yeah, like a little sunset. That was this. I forgot. That's not my sound. And that wasn't me. That was my. I love these things because they're so like fun. I don't have the balloon things yet. Do you want me to comment down below if you guys want me to show the little like all my fidgets? I think I'm gonna do it now. Sorry, you guys don't have to comment if you don't want to. Sorry, I have bad lighting out here. Let me turn the light out here, maybe. Is that, guys, is that better? So, wait just a minute, you guys. I'm gonna get my fidgets out. Wow, I have a whole big you can still see me. Okay, you can't. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put it right there, obviously. So first I have this water snake. You guys are gonna be seeing all my fidgets. So yeah, and I have this little penguin guy. He's squishy, but he's not like filled with that much hair. I didn't make him. I got out of the comic. And I'm not gonna show like all my fidgets, just like a little bit. Next we have this Slinky. Everyone probably has. Comment down below if you ever had a Slinky before. If you haven't, just get one. They're everywhere. They're at the dollars. If you don't even know what a Slinky is, just it's a Slinky. You get to like bounce it and do crazy stuff with it. It stretches. It goes down your stairs. It goes down your stairs. Then we have this ball thingy. I don't really like it that much. I really wanted one, but then I'm like, oh, this thing sucks. I wish I never got it from the arcade. So I put all the things. I decided I'm gonna put all the things back in here. And we have. It's not like considered a fidget, but I like it as a fidget. My mom tells me to put like everything in the fidget drawer, and I'm like, no. This is my homemade like you know those things, it's on, I don't know what her channel's name is. It's a girl, it has like the owns the playroom. You know those things that, she has it, and, it's like a little, like a string that's black, and it has like a thing that you can like, woo, and twirl on your finger. I have a DIY one. I like to like put them on my finger, but I can't really do it that much. It's a ribbon from my gymnastics that I got from my teacher at gymnastics the first time. I play gymnastics, just so you guys know, and soccer. And I used to do cheer, but I don't anymore. Meow. So, the next thing is, I have this. This is my favorite one. I just like it. But I do have another one, which I don't know what it is. And oh my god, you guys are going to be so excited. The Poppets. Now we're here. Now we're here at the Poppets and these. The Poppets. These are my favorite because I like the Poppets because this is super satisfying to pop it on the balls. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Actually, I'm gonna rate you my favorite. The Pea Popper and like kind of like a 2. I mean, it's not. I like hate pea buds because they're not like that. I dropped it like that. Like exciting. Then I have my red fidget pad, which I love. It has a lot of buttons on this one. I love it because, well, that's really like kind of like all like me fidgets. Oh wait, and I do have my favorite, the pop juice. I like them because They're really loud, the big kind. A lot of you guys have them at like school. I have them at school, and I was like, oh, what is this? And then someone said it was a pop tube. And I got so excited because I knew them, what they were. Do, 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 do. Da, da. I like to like do them when, like, I like to put them together and then make a clown. Have you guys seen The Lion King? Comment down below if you've seen The Lion King. Yeah! Ow. Yeah. Whoa! Why can't you just do something for me? Okay, I'm scared to be out here. There's a lot of stuff, so that's it for my video. I hope you like it. I forgot to say this at the first of the video. I'm like holding a lot of fidgets that I like to bring out. So I hope you like this video, and thank you so much. You guys hear that? That's so cool. I was like scared because I heard this. What was that? I like this because one day I made it. So if you guys don't know how to make it, it's easy. Oh shoot, that's up. So you go up, keep it up, but then it's like a, what is this box? Okay. So that was leaking. So that's it for my today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We're almost up to 2 million. Literally. Actually. Bye.